Today we're here with my buddy Colt. He's going to give me a hand giving some custom interior upgrades to this 1996 Mustang Cobra. So Colt, what are we going to install today?
Today we're installing a headlight switch, door lock knobs, and clock trim.
And who makes this stuff?
UPR.
And what's it made out of?
Aluminum.
And very easy to install?
Yep.
Are you ready to go?
Yep.
So Colt, where do you want to start?
We're going to start with the door lock knobs.
Okay, and how do you install those?
We're going to turn it counterclockwise. There.
Okay, now go grab your new one.
Now to install the new one, we're going to just put it on clockwise. Now repeat the process on the other side.
Okay, Colt, what are we going to do next?
Next, we are installing a headlight switch. So the first thing you want to do is turn on the headlights. And then you're going to make sure that this little notch is pointing to you. And then you're going to use a screwdriver, and there's a little clip in there, and then you're going to pull. And it should come off. So now you're going to take your new headlight switch, you're going to put it until about it's touching, you're going to tighten it. Once it's tight, turn off your headlights. Now we are going to do the clock trim. So first what you want to do is you want to clean this. When you clean it, you want to clean the shiny side and not this side with the tape. So now you're going to take off the blue tape and you're going to stick the black tape to here. So now you're going to clean the surface. So now you're just going to stick this on. The installation is finished. So all you'll need for this installation is a small screwdriver. It should take no longer than an hour and you'll be back on the road in no time.